Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. So today I am really excited that CA Foundation examinations of July 21 attempt are commencing this day. I hope that all of you have prepared well for your examinations. Even if you are not yet prepared, there is no big issue because you might have heard your classes well, and whatever you learnt in the classroom, based on that, you can comfortably appear for the examinations. Remember, to perform well in the examinations, what is more required is your confidence rather than your subject knowledge. So let us assume you have wonderful subject knowledge, but you are not confident to write your exams. Then you cannot perform well. Contrary to this, let us assume your subject knowledge is poor, but still you went to the exam with lot of confidence. Then you can excel in the exam. Remember another golden principle in CA course, my dear students, since you are budding chartered accountants. So I thought I just want to share one of my best experiences with you. Never think of attempting for 100 marks in CA examinations. Several students have a wrong notion that since I am unable to appear for 100 marks, that means I am not writing my examinations well. That's a very wrong notion. It's not practically possible in CA examinations to appear for 100 marks. Instead, what you can do is, even if you appear for 80 marks, that means even if you attempt 80 marks, it's wonderful, it's good enough to score qualifying marks. This is not like your 10th or intermediate where anybody could score 98 or 99 out of 100. Such kind of things are not practically possible in professional courses. So even if you attempt for 80 marks, you may score 60. We have seen hundreds and thousands of incidents of such kind, where some of the students have attempted around 70 to 80 marks and still they scored more than 60 in the public exam. So that's why, my dear students, please come out of such kind of wrong notions which you had based on your earlier experiences of 10th and intermediate examinations. Come out of such kind of thoughts. So this is a professional course. So definitely there will be few problems or questions which we may not be able to attempt. That's how a professional question paper is designed. So that's why you aim to, even if you are able to attempt 80 to 90 marks, it's wonderful. And the most important thing you need to remember is, whenever you get a tough question paper, remember, valuation will be liberal and obviously you will get better marks than what you are expecting. And the third point to remember is, since you are going to write your accounts examination today, remember this point very well. So in the entire question paper, you will be able to find at least one problem which will eat away more than 1 hour. If you start attempting that problem, it will eat away more than 1 hour. Sir, does the CA Institute expect us to attempt such problems? Definitely not. That's why they are not giving such kind of lengthy problem in the compulsory question. They are giving such kind of lengthy problem only in the remaining questions. That means if you plan well, if you prepare well, then you can comfortably leave that problem as choice and still be able to comfortably attempt the remaining problems of the question paper. So the only thing that you need to do is, in the first 15 minutes of giving question paper, so you need to analyze all the problems in the question paper. You need to identify either a tough or lengthy problem, and you must take that problem as choice. This is where the secret of success lies. All the best, my dear students.